What if humans decided to build the tallest building ever created? Not 100 floors. Not 1,000 floors. Imagine a building with 1 billion floors rising into the sky. A structure so tall that every skyscraper on Earth would look tiny beside it. At first, the tower would look like a normal construction project. Workers would begin placing the first steel, beams and concrete blocks on the ground. Slowly, the building would rise above nearby houses and streets. Day by day, the tower would grow taller until it finally rose above the tallest buildings in the city. Soon the tower would reach the clouds. From the ground, people would only see the lower floors, while the upper part disappeared somewhere in the sky. As construction continued, airplanes would begin flying beside the giant tower. Pilots would look out their windows and see the massive structure stretching endlessly upward. Eventually, the tower would become so tall that the highest floors could reach the edge of space. From the top windows, people could see the entire Earth below them. Oceans would appear as blue patterns across the planet, and clouds would slowly move far beneath the tower. But building something that tall would create huge problems. The elevator ride alone could take years. Imagine stepping into an elevator and realizing that reaching the top might take longer than most people live. Another problem would be the weight of the tower itself. Gravity would constantly pull the entire structure downward. With billions of floors stacked on top of each other, the pressure would become enormous. The tower might begin to bend slightly under its own weight, while strong winds high in the atmosphere could make it sway. Scientists would quickly understand the problem. The laws of physics simply do not allow a building that tall to exist. Over time, cracks could begin appearing in the structure as the enormous pressure pushed the tower beyond its limits. Eventually, the giant building might collapse under its own weight. But even if the tower fell, the idea behind it would remain powerful. Humans have always dreamed about reaching higher and exploring further. Maybe a billion-floor building will never exist, but the dream reminds us of something important. Human curiosity never stops. We keep imagining new possibilities, building new ideas, and searching for ways to go further than ever before. And one day those dreams might take us somewhere even higher than buildings, perhaps into space, and maybe one day even to the stars.